Welcome back everyone in this Java and DSA series. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So without any delay, let's begin the video. Alright guys, now let's understand this line. Import java.util.asterisk. At first, it might look a little confusing, but it is actually very simple. Import java.util.asterisk means you are importing all the utility tools from the java.util package like scanner, arraylist, hashmap, or many more tools so that you can use them directly in your program without typing their full names. Just imagine you are a mechanic working in a workshop. In one corner, you have a big toolbox named java.util. Inside that toolbox, there are lots of useful tools like a wrench, that's your scanner class, screwdriver, array list, a hammer, hash map, and many more tools. Now, when you write import java.util.asterisk, you are basically saying, hey Java, bring me the entire toolbox so I can use any tool I want. So later, when you need to use the scanner class or array list, you don't have to go and import them one by one. They are already there, ready to use. But remember, in the small program this is fine, but in big project, it is better to bring only the tool you need. Like this, import java.util.scanner. That means just bring the wrench, not the whole box. So guys, that's what import java.util.asterisk really means. You are simply bringing a toolbox which is full of helpful tools. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who wants to learn Java.